Nothing but net challenge.
Oh, we tying shoes. Try hard.
Tie your shoes. Matter of fact, that's more try hard. Touch the back net. That's simple. Boom. Ooh, you almost damaged.
It can't touch the floor then?
Nope. Straight net. Okay.
Ooh.
Too easy. Ah.
Over.
Woo! That was good, but that's not the game. It's nothing but net, and you hit crossbar.
Oh my God. I knew you were going to come up with that
No,
BS.
that is the truth. You can't hit the crossbar. Ah.
Oh.
Okay, round golden. This is for all the marbles. I won. I mean, you can still try it, but I won. You're so dumb.